uncovering the importance of taxonomy in the age of green bonds. Green bonds are an increasingly popular way to invest in sustainable projects. They offer investors the opportunity to support projects that contribute to a more sustainable future while earning a financial return. They help companies finance their environmental goals and enhance their reputation as sustainable leaders. What are green bonds? They are a type of debt issued by public or private institutions to finance themselves. Their main peculiarity lies in their objective. They must be used to finance projects that contribute to the achievement of the SDGs, such as renewable energy, energy efficiency, and the conservation of terrestrial and aquatic biodiversity, pollution prevention and control, green infrastructure, and sustainable development. How do green bonds work? An entity issues and sells them to investors, receiving funds that are used to finance sustainable and environmental projects. In return, investors receive an interest rate and a commitment from the entity to repay the borrowed capital by a certain date. To take into account the 4 key steps to align business activity with green taxonomy. 1. Check whether the activities match those listed in the European taxonomy. 2. Identify the activities included in the European taxonomy. 3. Assesses whether the activities meet the technical criteria. 4. Minimum social guarantees. Regulation for sustainable finance through the taxonomy. As part of the European Commission's strategy to finance the transition to a sustainable economy, the EU has published the UGB regulation on the 30th of November 2023 and will apply from the 21st of December 2024. This is the first attempt to regulate the green bond market, which until now has operated based on voluntary adoption of voluntary standards such as the ICMA Green Bond Principles. These new requirements are expected to prevent greenwashing, as it will require UGB proceeds to be invested in economic activities that are in line with the requirements of the taxonomy under Regulation EU 2000/2852. Renewing the financial system by aligning it with sustainability is a key challenge on the public and private agenda to achieve a greener, more resilient and prosperous market, and taxonomy is an ally to this end. With growing demand from investors and increased awareness of the importance of investing in environmental solutions, we are likely to see an increase in green bond issuance in the near future.